Hey everyone, today I'm getting a first look at the new 2022 Lincoln Navigator. So what you're looking at is the black label trim of the Navigator. Now personally, I have always thought the Navigator has been a gorgeous looking vehicle, and it gets even better for 2022. You have a newly designed front end, and part of those design cues is going to be a first for the Navigator, a black label specific grille. Now, continuing with the refinements, you have new headlamps, and once again, already a beautiful looking vehicle. So I love that Lincoln did just enough to add more presence and more balance to the Navigator. Over off to the side, it says the Lincoln Motor Company. I really enjoy those finer details. Now, moving to the wheels, you have these new black label specific 22-inch wheels, and they look incredible, especially paired with this new Chroma Caviar paint color. All right, so powering the black label Lincoln Navigator, you have a twin turbocharged 3.5 liter V6, makes 440 horsepower. But my favorite part is the torque on this. This is 510 pound-feet of torque, which means it gives you an effortless driving experience and an effortless towing experience, especially with the available heavy-duty trailer tow package with slow climb mode on 4x4 models. This also has a new trailer reverse guidance system with auto mode. Now, obviously, you can use your key to get into your Navigator. You can also use your phone as a key. This allows you to stop, start, and drive off in your Navigator while using your phone as a key through the Lincoln Way app. Now, upon entering your black label Lincoln Navigator, you have power deployable running boards. You're gonna have awakening illumination lighting sequences, a new taillight animation. You're gonna have a welcome mat, power folding side view mirrors. But my favorite part is when you get in, this has symphonic chimes, which literally means Lincoln worked with a world-renowned orchestra to create the tones you'll hear inside of your Lincoln Navigator. So sitting inside of the black label Lincoln Navigator, you have different themes to choose from. This is the invitation theme. Now, the goal here is to really create a sense of warmth, create a sense of home and being in a luxury setting with your loved ones. And that makes so much sense considering this is a luxury 3-row SUV, and Lincoln does a great job at making you feel this Kaya wood, which gives off this warm tone. It has laser etching, branch patterns within the wood. You've got this beautiful onyx leather. You can smell the scent of the leather. You've got horizontal lines really expanding the space in here. And you have 5 different drive modes, so you're pretty much ready for any situation. And this also has adaptive suspension with road preview. So simply put, this will scan the road ahead for imperfections, adjust the suspension, and give you the smoothest ride possible. But it gets even better. These are Lincoln's perfect position 30-way adjustable seats, and if you can't get comfortable in these seats, I highly suggest visiting your nearest chiropractor. Now, if this isn't enough to take the stress off while driving, you also have Lincoln's Co-Pilot 360 2.0. This is their driver assist technology. You have a new intersection assist, which will alert you of oncoming traffic as you're making a turn. And you have Lincoln's new driver assist technology that lets you drive completely hands-free on designated blue zone roads, with your eyes on the road, of course. Now, while you're doing that, you can take advantage of this amazing 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system. This has quantum logic 3D surround technology to basically give you the most immersive sound experience. And to put the cherry on top, this has Lincoln Connect up to 10 devices. All right, so let's talk technology. This is a 13.2-inch LCD center touchscreen display. Beautiful design, beautiful animations. You have a constellation theme that's inspired by the galaxy, Sync 4, and software updates. So in the second row of the black label Lincoln Navigator, I've got plenty of knee room, plenty of headroom, which is great considering I'm about 6 feet tall with obviously pretty big hair. Now, new for 2022, you have available second row massaging seats. You also have tri-zone climate control and available Lincoln Play. That's gonna give you 2 10-inch touchscreen rear entertainment systems. It's gonna have Amazon Fire TV, Amazon App Store, and you can screen share between the 2 Lincoln Play screens. Now, you also have a panoramic vista roof to let in more light, and you have a third row with plenty of space and reclining rear seats. All right, so in the back of the Navigator, you have a very clean, revamped taillight design. This is a coast-to-coast design language. It has 3D tail lamps, and you also have a hands-free liftgate. So in terms of cargo management, you have storage space here underneath the floor. You're gonna have tie-down points, and you also have a power folding third row seat. Not only is it convenient, but your seats are going to fold completely flat, making it easier to load in items. If you need more storage space, I hit this button, your second row is going to fold flat as well, maximizing your storage capacity. So to wrap up your Lincoln experience, you have the Lincoln Way app. This allows you to remotely control your vehicle, find parking, and pickup and delivery. Pickup and delivery means Lincoln will come, pick up your vehicle for service, replace it with a Lincoln loaner, and bring your vehicle back once it's done with service, meaning Lincoln will always work around your schedule and not the other way around. That's gonna wrap up the 2022 Lincoln Black Label Navigator. I think this is such a welcome update. The interior is stunning, and the exterior, in my opinion, is such a timeless design. But we wanna know what you guys think. Comment below, be sure to like, subscribe, share, follow me on TikTok at Forest Auto Reviews, and if you wanna know more about the 2022 Lincoln Navigator, visit lincoln.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.